Use each moment as a teachable moment. Aim high and make every moment count.
Avery, can you show me what is this? Point to your clavicle. Wow. Let's see your other clavicle. Yes, now can you say the word? What is it called? Clavicle. Yay.
Oh, yay! Smart girl. Try to make each moment a teachable moment. Sometimes when you're just walking through the neighborhood, just take your little one with you and point out sight words. Point out new words. They love reading new words. You just have a good time at it. There are sight words: deposit, mail, and here. Here. Okay? Yes, H-E-R-E. Want to put the mail in for me? Put it in. Right there. Put it in. Yep. Good girl. Put it in. Yes, push it. Yes. Put the other one in. Good job. Good job. Keep the mail safe. Help keep the mail safe. There's the, T-H-E. You see the? There's stop. S-T-O-P. Spells stop. Good girl. Good girl. There's some words that you might know. D-O, do. N-O, no. You see N-O? That's one of your sight words. Yes. You see it? Yes. School. S-C-H-O-O-L. That spells school. Yes. It's another word. C-A-K-E. Cake. Yes, that's another good word, right? Good girl. Cake.